Hello friends, Standard 10 Maths, chapter number 7, Coordinate Geometry. It is my lecture number 9. In the last lecture, we have completed exercise number 7.2. Now today, we are going to take a new formula, that is, if the coordinates of all the three vertices of a triangle are given, then what can be the formula to find out area of triangle. We derive that formula, so please have a very close look. We take the use of coordinate system only. We take a triangle. Say it is triangle ABC. Let us assume A having the coordinates x1, y1, B x2, y2, and C x3, y3. These are the coordinates of points A, B and C. Now how to take the formula for area of triangle? So for that, from B, from A and from C, I draw perpendicular to x-axis, and the foot of perpendiculars are D, E and F respectively. Now what can be the coordinates for point D, E and F? So D is x2, 0, E it is x1, 0 and F it is x3, 0. All these 3 points are on x-axis, so its y coordinate are 0. Okay? Now in the same way, when time comes for finding the length of this perpendicular, I will help you to know what to do. At present, we want to find out the area of triangle ABC. Now look, how this ABC area can be found out. First of all, A, B, D, E. What it is? You can check these two are perpendiculars. So these two lines are parallel and these two are not parallel. So it is forming a trapezium. It is one trapezium. Second is, you can compare with the figure. AEFC. So area of one trapezium plus area of second trapezium, it covers the whole figure. But out of that, out of the sum of these two trapeziums, area of these two trapezium, if I subtract area of the third trapezium, then what is left? Area of triangle ABC. Got it? So this is the formula we are using. So what is area of triangle ABC? First of all, we make the formula. I write ABC. That means area of triangle ABC, will understand, is equal to, first of all, ABDE, trapezium ABDE, plus second trapezium AEFC, minus trapezium BDFC. So if I write these letters without the symbol, they are meant to be the area of the trapeziums. Okay. Now do you know the formula for area of trapezium? You have to go to standard 9 for that, and the formula was that 1/2 into altitude into sum of two parallel sides. It was the formula for area of trapezium. 1/2 into altitude into sum of the two parallel sides. For trapezium ABD, what is the altitude? D. So 1/2 altitude is D into sum of the two parallel sides. Parallel sides are BD and A. I draw the figure for the simplicity so you can understand. This is the altitude being perpendicular and these are the two parallel sides. So they are BD and A. I write here BD plus AE. It is first trapezium plus again second trapezium 1/2 into for trapezium AEFC. What is altitude? EF. And what are the parallel sides? AE plus CF. AE plus CF minus third trapezium BDFC. What is the altitude? DF. And what are the parallel sides? BD plus CF. Okay, it is basic thing. Now we plot the values for them. 1/2. What is DE? DE is x1 minus x2. x1 minus x2 into bracket BD plus AE. BD plus AE. What is BD? Y2. What is AE? Y1. So it is ultimately Y1 plus Y2 I can write. Y1 plus Y2. Can you understand this? It is Y2, it is Y1. You have to come to the y-axis for that. It is Y1, it is Y2. So Y2 plus Y1. These are the sum of the two altitudes. Plus second is AECF. So it is 1/2. And now it is EF. EF is what? x3 minus x1. And sum of the two altitudes y1 plus y3 minus the third one DF. DF means x3 minus x2. 1/2 into x3 minus x2 and sum of the parallel side is y2 plus y3. So these are the notifications for that. Now we want to go for simplification of this, and that I do here. So is equal to, see, in all the three terms 1/2, 1/2, 1/2 is common. So I take 1/2 as common. First of all, x1 y1 minus plus x1 y2. It is first one, see, x1 y1 plus x2 y2. Now with the second term minus x2 y1 minus x2 y2. Got it? Here plus 1/2 is taken as common. Go for this. x3 y1 plus x3 y3. Now minus x1. So minus x1 y1 minus x1 y3 minus the third trapezium. 1/2 is taken common. x3 y2 plus x3 y3 minus x2 y2 minus x2 y3. Now in the further simplification this bracket will be opened, minus sign we will use, and all the sign of the remaining terms will be changed. So I go for the next step. 1/2 is as it is into bracket x1 y1 plus x2 y2 minus x2 y1 minus x2 y2 plus x3 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x1 y1 minus x1 y3. Now using this sign, all the sign will be changed. Minus x3 y2 plus becomes minus, x3 y3 minus becomes plus, x2 y2 and here plus x2 y3 and bracket over. Okay. Now only we have to check whether certain terms are like terms and with the opposite sign we can cancel them. x1 y1, it is positive, x1 y1 negative, gone. x2 y2 positive, x2 y2 negative, they are gone. Now x3 y3 positive and x3 y3 negative, they are gone. Okay, so now leftover I will write here. If you wish, you can take the screenshot of this because I am going to rub it out. Okay. Now 1/2 is common. Into bracket. What is left over? I will find out first of all the term with x1. So x1 is x2, x3, it is x1, one of the term containing x1, and second term containing x1 is, it is x1 y1 plus x1 y2. I should take this formula once more because there is some sign mistake, because I am not getting one more term with x1. With x2 it is okay here, and with x3 it is here and here. So I should take all these terms once more so that the mistake that that is occurred in the sign can be found out. Okay, no problem. Very quickly we take it. First of all, 1/2 into bracket. It is trapezium ABD. So 1/2 is taken common. DE, x1 minus x2. 1/2 into altitude, sum of parallel sides, y2 plus y1, plus second trapezium, 1/2 is taken common, x3 minus x1. It is altitude. And what is the sum of parallel sides? y1 plus y3. Okay, and minus the third trapezium, it is df is the altitude, so it is x3 minus x2, and sum of the parallel side is y2 plus y3. Okay, now 1/2 is common. Let us take the multiplication. Somewhere in the sign we have committed the mistake, so we will be particular now. x1 y2 plus x1 y1 now minus x2 y2 minus x2 y1 here, plus x3 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x1 y1 minus x1 y3. Now minus sign into bracket, x3 y2 plus x3 y3 minus x2 y2 minus x2 y3. Okay, so now we open up the bracket, is equal to 1/2 into bracket x1 y2 plus x1 y1 minus x2 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x1 y1 minus x1 y3 Now bracket opens, minus x3y2 plus become minus x3y3 minus becomes plus x2y2 and minus becomes plus x2y3. Okay, now simplified, 1/2 common. What is cancel? Again we check, x1 y1 plus and x1 y1 minus, x2 y2 minus, x2 y2 plus, x3 y3 plus and x3 y3 minus. These are gone. Now x1 is here and x1 is here. Let me simplify these two. x1 common, y2 minus y3. Now we take x2 wala, it is minus x2 and somewhere it is plus x2. So I take these two, I take this term first, x2 common, so y3 minus y1. And now x3, it is x3, it is x3, x3 common into bracket y1 minus y2. Okay, so now it is the formula. Is it clear? So now you check. You get the cycle with 1, 2 and 3. 1, then 2, then 3, then 1. Okay? So check, 1/2. X is 1. 1 is gone. So y2 minus y3, cyclic. Then x2, then it is y3 minus y1. x3, it is x3, so y1 minus y2. Okay? So this is the formula. Now only one thing I tell you, that this triangle is not always this. Sometimes what happen? In your triangle, A is here, B is here and C is here. At that time, it is x1 and it is x2. So here x1 less than x2. In our figure, x1 was more than x2. So sometimes the answer appears in negative. Suppose area, you get the answer finally minus 25. But remember, area is never negative, so you should take only the magnitude, not the sign, and take the answer as 25 square units. Is that clear? So this is the formula for area of triangle. So in this period, it is okay. In the next period, we will take certain examples based on this formula, area of triangle. Thank you very much.